Hello students, in this video we will learn some tricky questions of C language related to looping which are frequently asked in campus exams of IT companies. If you want to succeed in campus exams, please watch my other videos related to campus questions whose links are given in description box or you can click on above I button. If you are trying for the jobs of IT industries, then please subscribe my channel so that I can help you to crack the campus. So let's move towards our questions now. So this is our question number 1 where you have to tell the output of this program, and these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So let us see this program. So here in this program, a external variable x is declared as integer data type, and we know that external variable can be found outside the function. So hence this x is found here where x is initialized with the value 8. So hence value of x becomes 8 now. In the main function there are two loops which are nested. So here in the outer loop do loop is there, hence the control will be directly transferred to the inner loop, and here is there is also do loop, hence control will be transferred directly to the loop. So here with this printf function value of x will be displayed in octal format, and we know that here value of x is 8 whose octal equivalent is 10. So hence this printf function will print the value 10. After that this condition for the inner loop will be tested. So where the condition is not -2, and we know that -2 is considered as a true value, and hence not of true becomes false. So as this condition becomes false, control will be outside the inner loop. So here condition that is for the outer loop will be tested, and here the condition is given as 0, and we know that 0 value is treated as a false value. So therefore this condition also becomes false, hence control will be transferred out of the outer loop also. So hence the output for this program will be 10, and hence the correct option for this program is option B. So let's have a look at our next question where you have to tell the output of this program, and these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So actually this is a very simple program, so I suggest you to guess the output of this program yourself first and then have a look at my explanation. So let us see what output this program will generate. So here in this program, a integer variable x is declared and it is initialized with the value 0, 1, 1. And we know that any value preceded with value 0 is considered as the octal integer constant. So therefore this x is initialized with the octal value 1, 1, which is equivalent to the decimal value 9. So hence with this x is initialized with decimal value 9. Consider the next statement where the next statement is for statement, where firstly this initialization will be done. So hence for the first iteration I becomes 0, then the condition will be tested here. So the condition here becomes I less than x. So here I value of I is 0. So the condition becomes 0 less than 9. Value of x will be considered here 9. So 0 less than 9, condition is true. As condition is true, control will be transferred inside the loop and this statement will be executed. So hence star will be displayed for first time because of this printf function. The next statement here is the continue statement. So we know that in the continue statement, control will be transferred to the loop again. So with this continue statement, other statements in the loop are skipped. So therefore this statement will not be executed. With this continue, control will be again transferred to the for loop and value of I becomes 3, that is 0 plus 3. So hence in the second iteration I becomes 3. Again condition becomes now 3 less than 9. Condition is true. Again control will go inside the loop and second star will be displayed. With this continue statement, again control will go to the for statement, and for third iteration value of I becomes 6. Again 6 less than 9, control again will be transferred to the loop, and third time star will be displayed. This because of this continue statement, again control will go to the for statement, and now the value of I becomes 9. And as value of I becomes 9, the condition becomes 9 less than 9. So now the condition is false. So hence control will be transferred out of the loop. And hence with this program, 3 stars will be displayed because this loop will be executed for 3 times. For first time I equals to 0, second time for I equals to 3, and last time for I equals to 6. So hence the correct option for this program is option E. Let's have a look at our next question, where you have to tell the output of this program, and these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program, a integer variable I and j are declared. The next statement here is the assignment statement, where I equals to j equal to 2 comma 3 is here. So here in this statement, I equals to j equal to 2 will be considered. That means values of I and j will be equals to 2, and after that this 3 will be ignored, but no syntax error will be displayed because there is no any syntax violation. So hence with this statement, value of I and j will be assigned to value 2 only. So the next statement here is the while statement, where the condition here is minus minus I and j plus plus, and here in the loop only single statement is there. So let us see what output this loop will generate. So here in this program, firstly this I equals to 2 and j is equals to 2. So hence while first time executing the while loop, the condition now becomes minus minus I. So value of I will be decremented with this minus minus I. So hence value of I becomes 1, and here the value is, here the expression is j plus plus. So firstly here j will be used, so hence value 2 will be used here. So hence the condition becomes 1 and 2, and we know that value 1 and 2 is considered as the true value, hence true and true. So hence the complete condition becomes true, and after evaluating this condition, value of j becomes 3. So hence in the first iteration, I becomes 1 and j becomes 3, and hence as this condition is true, control will be transferred to the next statement, and values of I and j will be displayed. That means 1 and 3 will be displayed. So after executing this statement, control will again go to the looping statement, and now the condition becomes minus minus I. We know that recently I becomes 1, so hence with this minus minus I becomes 0, and as this is 0, the complete 0 is considered as the false value, so hence this complete expression will be false, and as this is false, control will be transferred out of the loop. So hence this looping statement will be executed for one time only. So hence the correct option for this is option B. So hence the output here is 1, 3 only. So this is our next question, where you have to tell the output of this program, and these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So many of you might be thinking that there is an error in this program, because in the first statement there is only 2 semicolons are there. There is no any initialization section or any condition section or any increment or decrement section. But it is not so. because you can use the for statement like this also. But while using this for statement, this loop will become a infinite loop. So hence in this program, this loop will be executed for infinite times. That means this 10 will be displayed for infinite times. We can use these for statements like this also, but there must be any condition for breaking the loop. So as there is no any condition for breaking the loop, this will be executed for infinite times. So hence the correct option for this program is option C. So this is our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program, a integer variable I is declared and it is initialized with the 40. So this integer I variable is declared as a global variable here. In the main function, a do loop is there. Do while loop is there. So as this is a do loop, control will directly transfer to the loop and this statement will be executed. And in this statement we know that here the postfix increment operator is there, so therefore value of I will be displayed first. That means 40 will be displayed first, and after displaying value of I becomes 41, and after that this while condition is there, so this condition will be tested now. So here in the condition a comma operator is used, and we know that while using the comma operator only the last value will be considered. So hence this complete expression will return the last value, which is equals to 0, and we know that 0 is a false value. So hence this loop this condition becomes false, and as this condition becomes false, control will be outside the loop, and hence the correct option or output of this program is 40, means option A is correct here. Let us consider our next question. What will be the output of following program? So let us see what output this program will generate. So actually this is a very simple program. So here a integer variable x is declared and it is initialized with the value 123. The next statement declares a variable I and it is initialized with the printf function. So therefore this right hand side will be executed first. So that means with this printf function a string ccampus will be displayed on the screen, and at the same time we know that this printf function also returns a integer value which is equivalent to the number of characters it is printing, and this printf function is printing total 8 number of characters. So therefore after printing the string ccampus it will return value 8, and it will be stored in variable I. Then consider the next loop where a for loop is there, where initialization is x equals to 0, condition is x less than equals to I, and here the increment section is x plus plus. So firstly x becomes 0 and 0 is less than equals to 8. Yes, condition is true, so 0 will be displayed. Next time x becomes 1, again condition is true, 1 will be displayed. Next time 2, next time 3, 4, 5 up to 8 will be displayed. So hence with this for statement values from 0 to 8 will be displayed, and after x becomes 9 condition becomes false and control will be transferred outside the loop. So hence the output for this program will be ccampus, and after that values from 0 to 8 will be displayed. So hence output of this program will be like this. So this is all for now. In next video, I will be coming up with new campus questions. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel to get the notifications of my upcoming videos.